Put your head on there. Did he kick you? Did he? Did the baby? Who's in there?
No.
It's the baby.
No kid.
Okay, put your head on there. Put your ear on there and listen. See if he'll kick you. Oh, and come here. Put your head right there. See if he'll kick you. See if he'll kick you. Did he get you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you feel him in there? Put your head on there. Did he get you again? Did he get you? Yeah, he did, huh? That's the baby in there. The baby's in there. He's kicking you. Did you feel him again? Put your head on there. See if you can feel him. Be really still. Be still. Did he get you?
Mr. King.
Did you feel it? Oh, did you feel that one?
Look, it feels this one.
The baby is in there and he's kicking you. He has the hiccups.
Let's do this. Mom, let's do this.
Okay, listen. Ready? Be still. Be still.
I'll pick this one.
It's right there. He's in there.
Yes. It's right there. 23.